What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So here it is, the new addition to the garage, a 2024 S1000RR. This is a premium package. It has, I believe, so premium package. It has a DDC, cruise control, heated grips, riding modes, but it also has the billet pack, and which are these billet pack. But I think this one's a different package. So the billet pack comes with just the controls, but this one is additional. I don't know. I think so. I think that's part of the either that's part of the motorsport or that's an additional package. This is the sports. It has the sports silencer as well, Akrapovic, but still has a cat. The motorsports package. This color comes with the M seat and a lightweight M battery, which is lithium battery. Otherwise, it's similar to the other colors, just missing a couple things here and there. But so I just want to talk about, I guess, the buying process of this. I was considering the M1000RR. I know, super expensive, double the price of this. I looked at reviews, if it's worth it. It's definitely not worth it for people like me because it's not gonna make me any faster or anything. It's just cool. I've seen it and it's cool. I like how it looks, but it's 40 something thousand dollars versus this one, which is like 25. So I don't know. It's not worth it to me, honestly, unless I'm not pushing the limit. I'm not gonna push the limit on this one. So why pay that much? Just save it for track days. So I was between this, the white one, or the black one. So the black one did not have the M seat and did not have this rear set. So having the rear set is, it's I don't have to buy it, and also it's really really complementing to the bike. So I chose this one that has it already. I also like black colors, so I don't know. It was a tough decision. It took me 30 minutes to narrow down between choosing the white and the black. So it took me like a long time. So it's really a coin toss at the end. But I think, me, I kind of switch bikes often, and I think in terms of if I ever want to get rid of the bike, I think more people would love this color and this package. This is basically with everything. So this is the top of the line S1000RR minus the carbon wheels. So minus M1000RR and minus the carbon wheels. This has everything. So in terms of resale, maybe it's better, easier to sell than the black. So there's the situation there with the choices. Other than that, I chose the S1000R because I missed it. The last sport bike I had was the V4R. So I'm coming off of a V4R, and I've been toying with slower bikes and supermotos and just slower bikes in general. I even tracked my GSA. It's just that I missed the speed and I missed the aerodynamics. I just missed the power. So I think it's time to get back into it, get back into going fast. So I think I have more skills now compared to before. So it's too bad that the track season just ended for us today. Today's the last day. I have to wait until like next year, March, to start tracking this bike. So, but of course I'm still gonna ride it on the street. It's just that I won't be able to learn what it is really for a few more months. So, it is what it is. I chose to buy it now, so it's just. But the deals are right now, so that's now it's a double-edged sword. The deals are happening at the end of the year, but track season is also ending. So, what else can I say? I'm really excited to have this alongside the 1250 GSA. These two bikes, I bought them 4 times. This is my fourth S1000RR. I had a 14, I had a 16, I had a 18. There's the fourth one. I test rode the 2020 back in when it came out, the first version of this era of S1000RRs, and I was kind of disappointed. And I think it still has the flat spot, but it has all the updated technologies of S1000RR up to this point. 2024, 2023 and 2024, these are like the latest of this generation so far, that it has all the the smart electronics, and now it looks like this, and I think it's a good time to get one. So I don't think 2025 will be any different. Maybe a different color, but so far I think I think this is gonna be its peak before they refresh it. Maybe I'm just guessing. So also the black one didn't have blue calipers on the front, so that one's kind of a nice touch. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bike in terms of plans right now. I have to unlock the bike first. It's stuck at 9,000 RPM, so I need to ride it, and then like I said, it's gonna take a while before I can get it to the track because the season's over, unless there's a private track day I can get it to. So far, my schedule is gonna be next season, which is March. If there's a private track day in November, then I'll probably join that if the bike is up to it. If I unlocked it already, um, and then that's pretty much it. I want to mod it slowly. I don't know what I need yet. On the ride home, it's different from the 2020 that I rode a long time ago. It's a different it behaves a little bit differently. It seems angrier, honestly. It's so weird because usually that's the V4, the Ducati, but this one seems like it just wants to go fast. It's like it's restricted, but when I twist the throttle, there's power there. So I don't know what's going on. People say there's still a flat spot on this thing, but there's power. Maybe just I've been using slow bikes for a long time, and now I'm just not used to power. So, but there's seems to be power there. So on the track is when I'm gonna really see it, or the canyons. If I take it to the canyons, I'll see if there is a dead spot like it was before. In terms of mods, like I said, I don't know. It has the sport silencer. I might just get a decat and a tune. So because I don't want to waste that can. I mean, it's kind of nice, you know. I don't want to waste it. It's okay. I don't mind the long can. Maybe I'll just get the acro header and pair it with that somehow. I think that's a good move. So eventually, if I want to do a GP short can, I can just integrate it easily. But I think an acro header, titanium header, is perfect for this situation. So that's what I'm looking at. And then a tune. So I don't know what the tune is, Brent tune or Alpha Racing, or I'm exploring all options. I'm not just stuck with one brand right now. Brakes, I need to ride it some more to know about that. What else? Suspension, like I said, I also need to know. I also need to ride it more to know. I can't comment on that immediately right now from the street. It's okay, but of course on the track is when we're gonna find out. But as a package for the price, 25 grand, I don't think you can beat it, really. I mean, you can get cheaper bikes, but they're not going to be the same. Honestly, they're not going to be the same. The I don't know. Some people hate BMWs, quality. I don't know. For me, I had good experiences, and yeah, I hope I keep getting good experiences. So anyway, that's it. This is just an intro video of the 2024 S1000RR. You'll see more of this in the channel in the coming videos. It's almost winter. I mean, it's fall and then winter. Hopefully, it's not raining too much where I can still make videos on the bike. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Did I choose the right color or not? Or I chose the wrong bike altogether? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.